Two men. One from accounting. One from human resources. Two different worlds. Today, these worlds collide.
Hadouken!
Hadouken 2, the return of the Deck.
Oh.
Experience the heart pounding,
Yes!
action-packed sequel to the critically acclaimed saga about two men from different sides of the track, torn between forbidden love, intergalactic intrigue. One man who cannot control his rage, the other who is only half a man.
Your move, creep.
Action-packed, heart-pounding,
Yes! Yes! Yes!
suspenseful, sexy. Two men with nothing to hide. Who will stop at nothing
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
to get
Yes!
what they
Yes!
want.
Yes!
Hadouken!
Hadouken 2, the return of the Deck.
I'm so scared.
There's no mountain that we're climbing with the relationship, alright? There's no Mount Everest that's happening here. All it is just a fucking, it's a plane. It's like we're out in the desert, man. Like me and you on fucking desert, dude. Me and you hanging out in the desert just every fucking time, man. Why can't we climb? Why don't we go to the valley? Why don't we go into the ocean? Why does it always have to be a desert? Why can't we just fucking, why it has to be like, why am I fucking spelunking, man? Why can't I wanna climb, man? It's like I wanna fucking dude, God, what the, I'm just seeing things. That's it.
High five!